Hi guys. Okay, so today we're going to be fitting these Camco roof domes. I think they're a great product. They got a little mosquito net inside. You can leave your roof vents open so water and bugs don't get in. When you go out for a walk in the park or something, you don't have to worry about closing your roof vents, and you can let your RV air, which is what we like. But I'll show you how we fit them. It's very simple to do. It's a bit hot out here today, so I've got a canopy up, so I hope it doesn't blow away, but bear with me and we'll get through it. So first thing I like to do is, first thing you need to do is take the cover off the front. Just 2 screws, just pops off. You can just lay that to one side for now, and then we've got the open dome we can just lay over the top. Now what we don't want to do is we don't want to get this off to one side or the other side, too far forward, too far back. We need to get it in the middle. It's quite important because when we open the hatch from the inside, we don't want it scraping up and stopping because this curves in a little bit, you see. So it's important we get it in the middle. So the best way to do that, what I do now is I go downstairs, or if you've got a partner, you can call down to open the roof dome and get it in the right position. So I'll go and do that right now. Okay, so basically once you're happy with your location and you've got it in the center, we'll take our Sharpie and we're going to mark a little dot. You've got choices. You've got 1, 2, 3 holes front and back. If you look inside, you can see the metal frame is what we're drilling into. So we want to make sure that there's enough metal frame here to locate with one of the holes on the outside. So I go for the most inner one, not the outer, the most inner one on both of them. So all we're going to do is just get a little Sharpie and we're going to find the center. We're going to put a little little Sharpie mark on all of them, all the way around. Okay, now you can take your dome off. Now what we need to do is, I've already laid out my hardware because I like to get all my hardware in position before I start anything. And we've got these little L-shaped brackets, and they just literally sit here on the side. And we drill through the metal frame of the roof vent. So we want to be lining up the Sharpie mark that we've put with the groove, and then we can drill through the side. So we'll take another Sharpie mark and we're just going to Sharpie mark the hole there. Okay, do that all the way around, so you've now got a location to drill your hole through the metal. And you can go ahead and get your drill. You can drill your 4 holes. I've already done mine. This is one that I fitted earlier, so I'm not going to drill it out and waste your time. I'm sure you know how to drill a hole. And once you've got your 4 Sharpie marks, you can drill your hole and get these ready to be lined up. Okay? All right, so once you've drilled your holes, you can now go ahead and get ready to put these on. So you've got some different hardware here. We've got a coach bolt, a couple of washers, and we've got a small Phillips screwdriver, Phillips screw head bolt. So we're going to go ahead and put our from the inside out because we don't want to see the thread and the nut on the inside. It's a bit ugly. So we go from the inside out, put our small screw through, and we're just going to go ahead and put the angle on, and you've got a very small locking washer. Pop that on, a small nut, and we're just going to do this up loosely, not tight, just leave it loose at the moment, okay? Because what we need to do is put our coach bolt underneath like so. Okay, once you've got that in, now you can go ahead and do this up nice and tight. Once you've done that all the way around, you can now take your roof dome, lay it on, and you can see there that the coach bolt comes up through one of the holes. I'm not going to do all of them because it's going to waste your time. You'll get it. And we just pop the big washer, the locking washer, and the nut on top. Okay, do that up nice and tight. Once you've done that all the way around, you're basically done. You can just go ahead now and get your cover, put your cover on the front, put the screws in. Okay, you get the idea, and that's it. One roof dome fitted. It's easy to remove this if you need to get in there and vacuum out any bugs or anything, any leaves or anything like that. But as you can see, with this on, you can now leave your roof vent open for the RV to air. We have 3 of them on each of ours. You can let the RV air while you're out walking around, and if it rains, complete protection. Okay, hope that was helpful. If so, give us a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more RV know-how.